Want to make your aquarium a breathtaking underwater paradise? Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just starting your fish-keeping journey, decorating your tank can be both fun and rewarding. From natural landscapes to creative themes, there's a world of possibilities waiting to transform your tank into a stunning focal point. Ready to dive in? Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best way to keep aquarium decor clean? Gently scrub decor with a soft brush during water changes. Avoid harsh chemicals, use vinegar for stubborn algae, and rinse well. Don't clean all decor at once to preserve beneficial bacteria. Subscribe and check the description for our cleaning guide video. What kind of substrate works best for decor purposes? Substrate sets the tone. Sand looks natural and soft, while gravel is colorful and easy to clean. Specialized substrates like nutrient-rich soil are great for planted tanks. Mix textures and colors for a more artistic setup. Like and share if substrate made a difference in your tank. What are the best plants for aquarium decoration? Aquatic plants enhance both beauty and water quality. Easy to maintain options include Java moss, Amazon sword, and hornwort. Arrange plants in layers, tall ones at the back, mid-size in the middle, and low carpet plants in front for depth and structure. Check the description for a list of beginner-friendly plants. What are some unique decor pieces for aquariums? Try unusual items like sunken airplanes, ancient ruins, or giant mushrooms for a fantasy touch. Just make sure all items are labeled aquarium-safe to avoid harming your fish or changing water chemistry. Drop emoji in the comments if this gave you an idea. What are some tips for balanced decoration? Don't over-decorate. Leave space for swimming and avoid sharp objects. Group items in odd numbers for aesthetic balance. Try to create focal points, like a central cave or a corner plant cluster, to guide the eye. Like this tip? Save this video to your decor playlist. What are some natural aquarium decor ideas? Natural decor adds beauty and mimics your fish's native environment. Use driftwood for a rustic, earthy look. Add smooth river rocks to create a realistic riverbed effect. Live aquatic plants like Java fern or anubias not only beautify but also oxygenate the water. Like this video if you love nature-inspired aquariums. What are some minimalist aquarium decor ideas? If you prefer a clean, modern look, go minimalist. Use 1 or 2 large stones or a single piece of driftwood. Choose neutral-colored sand and a few hardy plants. The open space gives fish more room and draws attention to your aquascaping precision. Subscribe for more sleek and simple decor tips. What are some budget-friendly aquarium decor options? You don't have to spend a lot. Use DIY elements like painted rocks, non-toxic paint only, hand-built caves from terracotta pots, or craft background scenes with printed designs. Even plastic plants can look great when placed creatively. Subscribe for more affordable fish tank ideas. How can I create a themed aquarium? Themed aquariums are perfect for adding personality. A pirate-themed tank can feature a sunken ship, treasure chest, and skeleton decor. Or go for a fantasy vibe with castles, dragons, and glowing pebbles. Themes add storytelling and fun to your setup. Comment your favorite aquarium theme below. How do I make the aquarium look bigger with decor? Use layering. Place small items in front, medium in the middle, and large in the back. Choose lighter colored substrate and clear backgrounds to create a sense of openness. Adding mirrors behind the tank can also expand the look visually. Want an optical illusion tank tour? Comment yes below. Can toys or figurines be used in aquariums? Only if they're safe. Avoid anything with paint, glue, or metal. Look for aquarium-safe resin decor if you want to use figurines like superheroes, anime characters, or fairy tale icons. Like and share if you love fun character-themed tanks. Can I decorate with shells and corals? Only in saltwater aquariums. Shells and corals raise pH and aren't suitable for freshwater tanks unless specifically buffered. In marine tanks, they enhance the reef look beautifully and offer natural hiding spots. Subscribe for a full saltwater tank decor guide coming soon. Can I use LED lighting for aquarium decor? Yes, LED lights add both function and flair. Use white or blue tones for a natural underwater look. Color-changing LEDs can create mood and drama, especially for evening viewing. Just ensure the lighting supports plant growth if using live plants. Like this idea? Hit the thumbs up. Decorating your aquarium is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a thriving, joyful space for your aquatic pets. Whether you go for natural, themed, or DIY styles, make sure it suits your fish's needs and your personal taste. Thanks for watching.